What's up, guys? Shavar here, back with another new awesome video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a contact form so your customer can get in touch with you. Like that being said, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and click the thumbs up button. Okay, and also let us know what other video you want me to make. Okay, now that being said, guys, let's get into it. Okay, so right now I'm at this website. Okay, and as you can see, this website also built with Quack Builder. Okay, and I can preview it. If I click the preview button right here, I can say show in new tab, and this is how the website looks. Okay, as you can see, it's stunning, it's awesome. All right, this website actually have a contact us page, but for this video demonstration purposes, excuse me, hopefully I'm going to create another one so that you guys can see how to create your contact page on your own. Okay, alright, so let's go back to the builder. So right here I'm at the builder. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here and it's gonna say add new, and I need to add a page. Okay, so if I click page, as you can see, it's give me some stunning page that I can choose from. Okay, but these are lead gen page. Okay, these are lead generation page. You can feel free to use any one of these templates. Okay, but normally a contact page, we do not need so much stuff on there. Okay, you only need your information for your business and how they can get in touch with you. Okay, and a form so they can submit, leave a message, etc. Okay, so I can preview um, the template as usual. I can, click preview, and if I want to use it, I can click select. But in this case, I'm not going to use that template or that theme. Okay, so on the left hand side, as you can see right here, give you some, you know breakdown of the kind of pages you can make. Okay, so we have webinar page. As if you running a webinar, you can create your webinar page here. You can create a checkout page. You can use any one of these depending on the product you're selling. Okay, you can feel free to use any one of these. We make these for you guys to use. Okay, and we got product page. Okay, so if you have product or services, you can use any one of these page um, to get more customers to buy your product. And trust me, these pages are high converting pages. They test all of these pages is tests and 100% converting like crazy. Okay, and then we have a thank you page. So whenever a customer purchase your product, you have some thank you page for them to, you know to see that their product has been purchased, and you can, give them information of what other step you need them to take. Okay, you have some home pages, and you have about us page, and you have contact page. Okay, so right about now we're creating a contact page. Okay, so basically what we do right here, we we differentiate all these pages so they can be separate, so it can be much faster for you to just build a page for your website with no technical skills with no web designer needed. Okay, we build all these eye converting template for you to use. Okay, so you can feel free to use any one of these, or if not, you can build your own. Okay, so like that being said, I'm just gonna go through, see which one I like. I can preview it first. So if I could preview, you can see this one very nice. You can preview them. Excuse me, hopefully. You can preview and pick the one that you think best for your site. Okay, you can preview all of them if you want, or you can, you know, just preview some of them and just pick the one that you want to use. Okay, alright, so let me see. If you want the one with the map, make sure you choose the one with the map. If not, you can just simply drag the map in, and you know, you can set it up when you select it. Okay, as you can see, they're very, you know, they're good contact us form. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, this one is not too bad. Let's have everything. Got the a little header up there. Got the form so customer can contact you. You can send a message. You can write a little bit of information on the right side about your business, or how they can contact you, or which, you know what I mean, which ways best to contact you. If you want to use phone or email, you can also do so. Okay, I like the way this one looks, so I'm just gonna click select, and when I click select, it's gonna say to give this page a name. Okay, I can name it contact us if I want, but as you can see right there, I already have a contact us page, so I'm just gonna use 2S to differentiate it so I know it's different from this one. Okay, this is just for demonstration purposes, and please guys, please keep in mind, excuse me, hopefully, that you can do SEO for all your pages. Okay, excuse me, hopefully. If you click right here, as you can see, it say SEO information. You can SEO your pages separately. Okay, so every page that you had to your website, you can do the SEO for it right here. Okay, so you can say something like contact us. Oops, contact us here, and that would be the page title. And then you can say you can just, you know, your, and we will get as soon as possible. Okay, and please guys, I just write this for demonstration purposes, but you have to make sure, if you want, you have to make sure that you use relevant keyword in into your pages, into your SEO information page, so that the search engine can rank you for that particular keyword. Okay, this is just to demonstrate. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's how you SEO all your pages. Okay, so I'm just gonna click page information back again, and then this will be the URL, so it will be the website. So whatever.com /contact dash us, that will be the page URL. Okay, and then if I click add, it's gonna, make that page for me, available for me. So now that this page is available for me, I can use it right off the bat, or I can just customize it the way I like. Okay, I can use it exactly the way it is. You know what I mean? Or I can just customize it, move around stuff that I don't like, add stuff that I like, and so on, so forth. Okay. So this say get in touch. That would be good. If not, you can just write what you want. You can say right, and then right here you can also change the small text if you want. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Say contact us today. And then I'm gonna just say for you, you know, you can say, oops, sorry about that. You can say anything you want. And you can save changes. Some you change, save the progress that you're making. And then the image, what if you don't want that image there? You can double click and then you can put whatever image you want to put there. Okay, so as you can see, you can unstretch it, you can stretch it. Okay, and you can also, this is a big tip guys, the alt text, you can also add an alt text um, into your image. So this is all the search engine know what your image is about. Okay, so the alt text is basically giving the search engine information, so it crawl your image and know where to put it in the search engine. Okay, so always try to optimize your image um, so that you can get more traffic that way in the Google image search. Okay, so you can just say e-commerce builder. For me, I will just say e-commerce builder, or I could say that. Just add a keyword that you wanna rank for in the search result. Okay, but for me, that's the keyword I will put in my image. Okay, and then I'll just click off that, then I click save, and then I can basically change anything that I want here. I could say don't be afraid to contact us. I'm gonna save that again, and then you can basically change this to whatever you like. Okay, this is just for demonstration purposes guys, but for you, you would put relevant information about your business. Okay, so always make sure you put your email. If you have a phone number, make sure your phone number is there. um, yeah, and just put, you know, every, if you have a different location, you can just say, you can put your location and stuff in here. You know what I mean? Just make it look nice. Make it understandable so your customer, whenever they come to submit a message. All the information is there for your business. Okay. All right. And over here, and this side is the farm. Okay, so you can add whatever you want in the farm, or you can remove whatever you don't want in the farm. Okay, or you can even change the message, etc. Okay, so if I click settings, as you can see right here, it says send notification to. Okay, excuse me, hopefully. So basically what this is the email. Anybody fill this form out, anyone fill this form out on your website, this email notification will go to this email. Okay, so always make sure you put your business email in here. Okay, or whatever email you want the notification to go to, always make sure this right here have the email for your business. Okay, or whatever email you want to use to collect this information notification once the user filled it out. Okay, so for me, I'm just gonna put, whoops, man, it's pushing a lot of button over here, guys. But for me, I will put quadbuilder@yahoo.com, because that's the email that I want to get notification sent to anyone fill this farm out. Okay, and as you can see, it's gonna give them a thank you message right there. Once they fill the form out, it's gonna say thank you, but you can write whatever message you want them to see after they fill this form out right here. So you can say thank you, thank you, we will get back to you as soon as we can. Okay, and that. All right, so I'm gonna just say that. Okay, so you can, you know what I mean, put whatever you want to the message to say after they submit the message right here. Okay, and then you say show message, that's it right there. And then for the button, this button right there, you can say send message. That would be perfect fine for me because they're sending a message, so I'm just gonna leave that as it is. You can change it to whatever you want. Okay, all right, so if I go here and I click save right here, I'm just gonna click edit field, and what basically what this do, it allow you to customize the form. Okay, it allow you to add and remove anything that you don't want in from the form. Okay, so as you can see, the message is right there. Subject, you can see it right there, and the name right here. Okay, so basically if you click this add button, you can add stuff, or if you click remove delete, you can delete stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete subject from the form real quick, and as you can see, subject is gone. Okay, what if I need back subject? You can click the add button right there, and you can, you know, scroll down the search. You can put the recaptcha if you want. File, select file, text area, name, email, phone, zip, parcel code, country, company, website. Okay, so basically if you want back subject, you can add a text field right here, and then you can name it to subject. Okay, subject. All right, and I'm just gonna click enter, and as you can see, subject is there again, and then you can adjust it where you want it. You can put it in the middle again, and so on and so forth. Okay, you can do that. You can do it that way. Okay guys, and then anybody fill this out, they will know to put the subject in. Okay, and you can, you know, add whatever you want on the form. You can say text, that's a message. You know, you get the idea that they got a message there already. But I'm just gonna delete this one. You say city, you can put the city right there. You can say alright, um, state, you can put the state there, and then you can adjust it the way you want it. Okay, or you can, you know, customize it the way you want, etc., etc. Okay, but for this I don't need the city, and I don't need the state to be on there. I just need a simple form, so they have the name, the subject they talking about, and the message. Okay, and remember, you can add whatever you want in here, date, whatever. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna click off of that, and I'm just gonna click save to save the progress we're making. And if I scroll down, as you can see, this is a map right here, and I can double click it, and I can add the location of my business right here. Okay, I'm just gonna mess around with it a little bit. I'm just gonna say let me see, can change the, I'm just gonna leave it as roadmap, and then I'm just gonna say New York, and it will you know, just change it to New York. You should be specific with your location. Make sure you put the exact address in here, and it will show whatever you put in here on the map. Okay, and you can put satellite view if you want it to be satellite, or you can put road map. Okay, all right, so let me give you demonstration purposes. I'm just gonna say alright guys, so I just needed to give me, alright, say location, yeah, so basically I just needed to give me um, a location, right? So this address, let me see if it's gonna let me copy it, right? So I copy that and I put it in here, just loading a little bit. This is the part that I don't like when I'm working and my computer start to load. Okay, and if I hit enter, as you can see, it's gonna populate that exactly where that address is on the map. Okay, so as you can see, it's right there on the map. If I click it back, 47 West, whatever that is there on the map. Okay, so always make sure you put your location in that box. Okay, and then it will just, you know, do the rest for you. Okay, and that is how easy it is to create a contact form with Quack Builder. Okay, you can feel free to change the background to whatever you want. Right now it's on an overlay of blue, You can, customize the blue um, to whatever color you want. You know, just gonna leave it as that, and then I'm gonna click save. And as you can see, that's my contact form. Okay, and I can remove anything that I want to remove, guys. um, Please remember, it's your website. Okay, anything that you do with Quack Builder is designed for you to build your website. No matter what you do, it looks stunning. Okay, and that's why you need to use Quack Builder, because it helps you to make a beautiful website even if you're not a web designer. Okay, so basically, um, what I'm saying is you can customize this any way you like. You can, there's if there is nothing that you delete from this that you can add back to it. Okay, I mean, everything is easy to use. All you have to do is brainstorm a little bit. um, I know everyone, whenever they making a website on the internet, they have a vision of what it should look like. Have that vision in your head, and then basically you can use Quack Builder to get it out. Okay, so if you have that idea, that great idea in your head, how you want it to look, what if you want this to be much bigger, you know what I mean? You can do that by just simply drag that down. What if you don't want it so big? Okay, you can just simply reduce it by just drag that up, or you can, pull this up right here. You know what I mean? So, and then whatever you save, that's what it is. So if I preview it and go back out here, and I go to the, it's not going to show it right here. I just have to go to the URL itself to see it. So if I view that, and then this is the way it's going to look. Okay, so this is my contact us page, right, that I just made. Okay, very easy, and look, it's look awesome, it's look professional. Okay, really really simple and really easy to use. Okay, um, please remember to put all the information for your business. So your email, you can say I'm gonna say quackbuilder at yahoo.com, and then you can change the phone number to whatever you want. Can change that to whatever you want, play around with the text and so on, so forth. And you don't have to keep a white background either. You can change the background. You can basically do whatever you want. Okay, you can change the background to whatever you want to change it to. Okay, guys, so say for instance I need a lightish kind of blue. I can do that by simply doing that. Okay, and you can see it's there like that. Okay, and if I refresh it, that's the way it's going to look. Okay, so anything I want to do, I can, like uh, it's like no limit to what I can do with this system. Okay, it's basically user friendly, because we design it to so the average person can use it to build whatever they want. um, but you just have to brainstorm a little bit, you know have an idea what you need the thing to look like, and yeah, you just um, make it exactly like what's in your head. It's really easy, really simple to use, guys. So like that being said, guys, I'm just gonna end this video. um, don't want it to be too long because it's just a contact us page. um, if you have any question, don't forget to shoot me an email. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so you'll be the first to know when I release a new video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Yeah, and just stay tuned for the another videos. Okay. Like that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. All right. Thank you. Bye. Peace.